Welcome back to Yolk Boys, everybody. Today we're making the ultimate breakfast food. And if you have hungover people in your house like I do every morning, you're going to want to feed them these mini breakfast sliders. We have eggs, we have gooey cheese, buttery rolls, and some sausage here, and we're going to make this all into one beautiful creation called mini breakfast sliders. They're perfect for a hungry crowd or a group of kids or just yourself if you really like it. So follow along. I'm going to show you how to make these things. They turned out fantastic. Let's go. First, you're going to want to start with a pack of Hawaiian rolls. Don't break them apart. We're going to slice the whole slab in half like a giant sandwich bun. That's going to be the base of our sliders. First up is our sausage layer. We're using breakfast sausage today for breakfast sliders. I like the hot kind, but use whatever you like. You can cook this into patties or you can crumble it, whichever you prefer. Just remember that crispy edges are where the flavor is, folks. Once it's nice and brown, we're going to drain that into a bowl with some paper towels, and then I'm going to move on to our eggs. Now for this recipe, we need scrambled eggs, so do them how you like. I'm just going to crack mine into a bowl with some salt and pepper, and then finish them with a little bit of sour cream, Gordon Ramsay style. And then I'm going to cook them real slow in some butter and make sure that I do not overdo them because I will hear about it in the comments later. These are going to hold our sliders together real nice. Once those silky soft eggs look about 80% done, we're just going to spoon them onto these sliders. It's important that you don't overcook these right away because again, they're going to bake for a little bit, and also I'll just get roasted in the comments. And if you want to go the extra mile, do some fresh chives on here, some black pepper, obviously optional. Now it's just time to assemble these sliders. So after those eggs are spread evenly on the bottom half of those rolls, we're going to go on with our layer of crumbly sausage and then a layer of cheese. After that, it's time to cap it off with the other half of the rolls, and then I'm going to show you the secret weapon right here. This is where it gets sexy. You're going to want to melt some butter and just dump it over the top of these little rolls to make them nice and golden. If you're feeling crazy, do some everything bagel seasoning like I did, but just make sure you brush it on top because it's going to turn your bread into golden slider magic. After that, we're going to pop them into the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes until the cheese is nice and melty and the tops are a little bit toasty. Yolks up. Tastes like breakfast between a bun. Amazing. If you're feeling these sliders, make sure you hit that subscribe button for some more egg-fueled recipes, and maybe drop a comment if you enjoyed it, especially you, Mace. Give us some ideas on what we should do next time maybe, and don't forget, stay yolked up. Bye-bye.